Rise for Competitive Edge racing team. There's some thoughts that Mia Hazeltine might do something today. She's second in the Criterium Championships of the USA, second in the individual time trial. She's a very useful bike rider, been racing predominantly in the US, so you never really know. She's ridden in Belgium for the last couple of months, but you never know until American riders get here at this age as to whether they can transform their performance into a winning performance. So it'd be interesting to see how Mia Hazeltine goes. Almost at the top of this climb, she's got some momentum now. The Liverlula Jayco Continental team for next season. She currently rides for Black Magic, powered by Tonelli. The fastest split is Samsonova. The arrival of NYIRARUKUNDO. 22 riders split. Samson is split, so she's going to end up, by the looks of things, in the hot seat. She's 1:33 ahead of NYIRARUKUNDO, who hopefully for her will have the chance to sit in the hot seat on the stage for just a little period of time. Claudette NYIRARUKUNDO had the honour of starting this individual time trial as the first rider to go, riding for Rwanda. She moves her way now into the centre of Kigali to the race finish. It's a tough rise to conclude this individual time trial. She's being urged on here by the crowd to the top of this climb. It's a hard one.
Yes, we can already hear you.
She's almost there now. What is the time going to be?
And we see her helmet. Only 200 more meters to go. MC Brian, it's your turn.
NYIRARUKUNDO is nearly at the finish line now, riding for Rwanda. She has ridden a great race today, very consistent. All the Rwandan flags are out to cheer her to the line. That's wonderful to see. Claudette NYIRARUKUNDO has been a big experience for her. She's going to go into the hot seat, 36.4 kilometers an hour at the finish.
Kigali, you are great.
Fantastic crowd here at the finish line. She's given it everything. She's pretty exhausted, but smiling away. Oh, she's pretty tired, isn't she? She's given everything she could give. The beginning of that time trial was pretty impressive. When she got to the second split, the average speed was 30.